Hi guys, hello, David Plays here, back with another video. I hope you all are having an amazing day. If you are, make sure to smash that like button. As you can tell, I'm super enthusiastic right now. Today we're playing Arsenal. Now, in Arsenal, I don't rage.
Doggo fan 934. This audio was made by left_.
Other games I really just honestly rage. Like, honestly, this game I've learned not to rage a bunch like I always do. Let's find out. Let's find out how good I am today. Got a pig in the server. Do I smell food? Oh, wait, what? It's like overcharging my burden. Stop killing me, please. Can we just be friends? Okay, that's it. Come on, Mr. Nice Guy. I just want to get off my first gun, bro. There's a bacon. On the server, because I'm gonna die. Lay low, lay low. Excuse? I'm going for a sniping kill. I'm about to straight up snipe one of these dweebs. Why can't I move? How do you even get up there? I feel like people who can get up there are hacking. And if you aren't, then you guys are magicians. Mary Chrysler. Happy freaking duck voice. Quack, quack. Yes! Got off that stinking gun. You look like diamonds, man. I'll put you in a... Can I sell you for a bunch of money? Why, yo, stop it! It's about time you get what you deserve. Oh, yeah, you want to start a gunfight, huh? Oh, why, yokes. What? 74. I I got you to 72. Stop hacking. There are a few game users there. Hackers, VIPs, ragers, and the oh so annoying dukers. Get rid of you. What happened to your legs? Where's that girl's legs? I don't even care that I'm getting back. Honestly, I really don't. I'm just glad that I'm playing the game. Plus, I don't really try and complete it. I don't really try to be the best at the game. I just do what I like. Place 10th, who cares? I want to find out how to get up. I don't care which one we do. Is it gonna be hillside? I can't tell.
Kill them all. Make them suffer.
Whoa, I wasn't even clicking the button and I just started firing. Oh, he has 18 health. Starting to die. Whoa. Well, if I just died here, no one will find me. I wasn't expecting to be trying. Get in a gunfight. Yo! I swear to God, some people are cheating. Some people cheat so hard.
Wow, you blew his brains out. Nice.
Crap. You aren't even near me, so I don't even know what type of cheats you're doing.
Хорошо, you got him.
He's there.
Nice headshot.
Okay, I guess there's more people cheating. Or they're not cheating. I don't know. I guess they're both just going through the wall, so it seems like they're cheating. But they're not actually cheating. Yeah, that's very normal, honestly. I'm doing a lot better this game than I was. Ah! Dang it. I was doing good, though. I let off on a rampage and really try. Where is it? Oh, I thought it was a sniper rifle because it had a massive scope on top. Great. I don't like this type of gun. This gun I don't like. I mean, I can go with other guns. Just this gun. Get him. Avenge the pig. I wish I could double jump. Wow. Okay, I'm not even clicking the button. Okay, I know where they are.
Good shot. You got
I got him. Now I have a better gun than I can roll with. I panicked. Plus, I got stuck on the wall, so it made it more annoying. Plus, I got the shotgun. What? No. I don't know, somewhere. I'm playing a game. Trying to record a video. Where are they? Whoa! You got a good gun. I only have 11 kills. One of our teammates has a golden knife. Did I get him? I got him! Let's go, we got a better gun. Ah! Oh, he got. Is that part of it? Nope. Okay, let's get him. Let's do this. So let the golden knife guy get the kill. Okay, got him. 14. Do I still have a shotgun? Oh, great. I don't like the guns that make it go so slow. Makes you hard to do. Now, you get not killing me. I got shot from behind. Yeah. Don't judge me, I'm a noob.
What did you say?
I'm recording! I'm recording my first Roblox videos.
finish them quickly.
Like I said, I hate these guns. Let's try and get a knife kill. My first knife kill. On the red. Okay, you know what? Screw the knife kill. I'm busy. Okay, this one blows up people. Usually explosions kill you in one hit, so I don't know what kind of voodoo magic you're using. I'm just gonna fire over there and hope I get one. Behind. Okay, I feel like I wouldn't see you coming. sneaking upstairs. You didn't even blow a gun. What kind of magic am I doing? So guys, this is how to glitch Arsenal. So this is what happens when you do that. Okay, what's happening? Yeah, it's time to end it.
Why did you let that happen?
Did you not? I did 22 to him. Go. Where is it? This side.
Lost the level.
You try taking on that many with a slow firing gun. I liked a bit. At least the Reds are winning.
Why did you let that happen?
It's a lot harder to use that gun than you think, don't you? Think that? And if it's a slow firing gun, then it should at least be more powerful. Great, it got really slow. Got a gun that makes you really fast. But it's powerful! Oh, frick. And a gunfight. I don't like this gun at all. Oh, dude, other ones are bad. What voodoo magic do you use? We're winning. We're about to win. You're the same guy you had the golden knife last time. It's because it got stuck for so long. Well, I'm gonna quit playing now, so see you later. Bye!